Today we are going to continue our previous short type answer. Okay, and your question number 4 is explain the right to equality, and here is your answer. Articles 14 to 18 of the Constitution mention these rights. And what is these rights? First, equality before law. It means everybody is equal before the law. Second point is prohibition of discrimination. It means nobody can discriminate to other like minority. And the third point is appointment to government or public service. It means that the appointment of anybody can be government or public service. Okay. Number 4 point is abolition of untouchability. It means that the nobody can discriminate, nobody can untouchability to others minority section. Okay. Number 4, abolition of titles. Titles means that the before our titles given by the government during the British rule have been abolished. Titles like Sir, Rai Bahadur, Rai Sahab Khan, Khan Bahadur, etc. cannot be conferred on a person. And this time the government can honor its citizens by giving military or academic title on the basis of the merit. Okay. And last one question in short question is your number 5. Why did the people of Nepal abolish monarchy? Okay. And the answer is the people of Nepal abolished monarchy because they believe that a democracy is the best guarantee of their well-being and development. Okay. And come to the detailed long question, question number E. First question is why does a democratic country need a constitution? And here is your answer, detailed answer. The constitution serves many purposes. First, it lay down certain ideas explaining the basic structure or the fundamental nature of our society. Various communities having different interests and aspirations live in a country. Their ideas and beliefs may be opposite or contrary. A constitution contains a set of fundamental ideals and principles that all countrymen agree upon. This includes the way a country is to be governed, the ideals and principles that have to be followed by all citizens. It means you can understand by these questions. Take some example of history of Nepal. Okay, our neighbor country in the north. Nepal was a monarchy. All powers were concentrated in the hand of a king who ruled with the help of a council of ministers. And the king was the final and supreme authority. The movement for democracy in Nepal, which had been continuing since 1990, gained crucial momentum in 2006. And lastly, what happened? The new parliament put an end to the powers of the king. Okay, understand this question. And today's your homework, do question number D, short question 4, 5 and detail question number E, detail 1 in copy. Thank you.